Masquerade Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kanakati kutanga kukuya panino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kano chingwa garo ka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe takuigirai nyaya ya netsa nyaya ekuappointwa kwakaitwa Sengezo Shabangu as the opposition leader in parliament. Sengezo Shabangu aka uyo I represented Matebelele North yaka appointwa as the leader of the opposition in parliament. National Assembly Speaker Advocate Jacob Mudenda waka announce this significant appointment during session yabakaita muswe Thursday, the parliamentary session yetwa muswe Thursday. This political landscape yaka konzeresa muri Zimbabwe Mshule Mekunge Mudenda aka reverse the assignment of my opposition members to my various parliamentary committees. Sezangazataurwa na Jameson Timber, we are actually the leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change. The Chipinge South MP Clifford Hlatshwayo akanenwa as the CCC leader of the House. Then Nomateba Lovu, the proportional representation MP for Matebeleland South akaappointwa as the chief whip. So this rise ya Sengezo Shabangu ya konzeresa controversy za konzeresa could the former Mount Pleasant MP Azouraya resign from parliament in protest against Shabangu's actions. Akabuda criticize this move appointment ya Sengezo Shabangu. Akabuda Azouraya achiri this is a shift towards a one-party state. Akabuda Azouraya the reality is that he is a ZANU-PF puppet, and this formation is a ZANU-PF construct created to do its bidding. Zimbabwe has been reduced to an effective one-party state, and he was never the leader of CCC, nor did he hold any office that would make him remotely capable of making decisions for members. No values, no honor, no mandate from the membership or the people. Kabuda, as far as participating in this ZANU-PF engineered joke of the parliament, could never be me. Zimbabwe runs a whipping system. How could I possibly agree to be whipped by someone who is whipped by ZANU-PF? What about the people who elected me to stand for change and hold ZANU-PF to account? Ndozo Kabuda Storwa na Azouraya muri Zimbabwe. So Sengezo Shabangu is the new leader of opposition. He is set to play a pivotal role in parliament. My responsibilities zake chengachi include to serve as the primary spokesperson for the opposition, paichangachi interact with the government and other stakeholders. Zakari achangachi overseer the formation of parliamentary portfolio committees and select opposition representatives for my international organizations. Akaita said the Pan-African Parliament, the Southern African Development Committee, Parliamentary Forum, the International Parliamentary Union, the African, Caribbean, and Pacific European Union is the one. He take my roles. He could represent the opposition, my organizations. Zakari Sengezo Shabangu. He have the member of Parliament Standing Rules and Order Committee. So just solidify his influence within the legislative framework. Tingazia kuti muliona sei muri Zimbabwe yanetsa nyaya kwapoint kwakaita Sengezo Shabangu is the opposition leader. Burito nafadza maira story yachiti Sengezo Shabangu is an opposition puppet. So in so kutungamira kwachaita opposition izangofanana nekuti this is now a one party state apasisina opposition yavapo muri Zimbabwe. Tingaziye kuti muliona sei nyaya iyi the appointment ya Sengezo Shabangu as the leader of the opposition yakonzeresa bongozozo even mu the Triple C yokutungamirwa na Mnangagwa ndofunga Jacob Mafume ani statement yakabuda story vachiti their CCC na Mnangagwa has distance from the appointment ya Sengezo Shabangu muri Zimbabwe. Kutaura iyo vachiti the parliament should cancel the appointment ya Sengezo Shabangu. Pane press statement ya wabuditsa iyo ikutrenda streets social media abuda Azouraya wachiti the standing committee met in an emergency meeting following the development in Parliament on the 29th of May and 30th of May 2024, in particular the rescission of appointments made by Jameson Timber and the announcement of a new leadership of the Citizens Coalition for Change by the Speaker of Parliament, respectively. The Standing Committee noted the correct decision, namely the rescission of the appointments made by Jameson Timber, and therefore notes the rescission effected by the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Mudenda, on the 29th of May 2024. However, the leadership noted that the new appointments made on the 30th of May 2024 were done without the involvement of the Citizens Coalition for Change as led by Professor Mnangagwa, and prior to party organs having met to deliberate on the matter. Consequently, and after deliberations, the Standing Committee noted that to the extent that the engagements with the Speaker of Parliament have been ongoing, these ought to continue with a view to rectify the anomaly and to ensure that the new appointments are legitimate. Meanwhile, the Standing Committee agreed on the imperative for National Executive and the National Council of the party to be convened to take stock of progress made in revitalizing and repositioning the party toward a genuine democratic struggle. The leadership resolved to deepen its stakeholders' engagement efforts to foster confidence based on the party founding values that anchor the democratic struggle. The leadership restated its commitment to strengthen the leadership capability to improve the livelihood of our citizens through the institutionalization of the party in terms of the constitution. Those are Buddha Stowa, na Jacob Mafume mu Zimbabwe Azouraya wachiti the appointments akaitwa na wamudenda ngasina involvement here the Citizens Coalition for Change rutungamirwa na Mnangagwa. Singaziye kuti munaona sei nyaya iyi. Does this mean kuti the opposition yafa kana kuti tudzeza muri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section. Harare West Legislator Joanna Mamombe uyabuda Azouraya chiti she will be stepping down from Parliament as soon as adzoka from South Africa. Abuda it's a public statement. Azouraya chiti she will be stepping down from the Parliament in protest with self-styled Citizens Coalition for Change Secretary General Sengezo Shabangu's appointment. Nofunga Bashabangu tuziawetese kuti vakaappointwa as the leader of opposition in Parliament. So zvakakonzeresa kuti vanhu vazhinji vaonekwe vachishamisika neappointment yakaita. Ma-CCC members Azouraya achiti they've never met kuti vamu-elect since azvi-electa muri Zimbabwe. Kabuda achitaura iye achiti dear Harare East, I hope this message finds you well. The recent developments in Parliament have been rapid and unexpected. What transpired yesterday in the House has come as a complete shock to me. I'm currently in South Africa visiting a friend in the hospital battling with cancer. It is with a heavy heart that I address the attempts by some within the democratic space to use these parliamentary events to discredit me. Let me be clear, Shabangu is an imposture and is not my leader. Kaenderera mberi Joanna Mamombe Azouraya, I unequivocally reject his appointment as chairperson of the Environment Committee. I have been serving in this post since October 12th, 2023, following my appointment by President Chamisa. In light of these recent developments, I find it necessary to step down from my parliamentary position. I believe it is best to allow those who deem Shabangu fit to take my place. While I am away, my team in Zimbabwe is organizing a formal rejection letter to be submitted to Parliament this afternoon. Thank you. Yours in service, Joanna Mamombe. Dunya yakabuditsa muri Zimbabwe Azouraya achiti she is now leaving Parliament. Ndofunga takaona na Rust Markham na Fadzai Mahere vakabudawo zvakare muParliament vachitaura ivo vachiti they were in solidarity with President Nelson Chamisa. So by elections in order to fuel this vacant muri Zimbabwe. Singaziona sei nyaya iyi tudzidzwa mukufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.